Today you are going to talk about the central nervous system. What is the central nervous system? Is the main and most important part of the nervous system. Its work and the control processing in the coordination center of the body. It consists of brain, spinal cord, function on central nervous system is the receive sensory information, process and interpret stimuli, coordinate voluntary and involuntary movements, controls of motion and memory, maintain vital function, sag and breathing and heart rate. Its brain is the structure located inside the skull and is made up of the cerebellum, the encephalo and brainstem. Its cerebrum is the large part of the brain and control most of the body activities, function, touch and reason, memory, learning, language, emotion, control of the voluntary movements, interpretation of senses, is cerebral lobe, frontal lobe, thought, planning, personality, language, voluntary movement, parietal lobe, touch, temperature, pain, spinal shaft, orientation, temporal lobe, hearing, memory, language, comprehension, occipital lobe, vision processing. Its cerebellum is located below the cerebrum. The encephalon is located between the cerebrum and the brainstem. Its thalamus, hypothalamus, epithalamus, and subthalamus. Is the brainstem in connect the brain, the top spinal cord. It consists of midbrain, bones, and medulla oblongata. Its spinal cord is a cord of nervous tissue located inside the vertebral column. Function, nerve conduction, is reflex action.
Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to talk about the peripheral nervous system. To understand it easily, let's imagine that our brain and spinal cord are the central computer of our body. The peripheral nervous system is all the electrical wiring that connect to that computer. The system has a default fashion. It takes information from the outside world and sends it to the brain to work efficiently. It is divided by the somatic system. This is the band B control to the automatic system. This is the band on auto. Inside this system, we have to decide the sympathetic and the parasympathetic. The sympathetic is the accelerator. It keeps in being beer state. The parasympathetic is the brain. It activates brain. In conclusion, this system the brain, the connect us to the board. Thank you.
Bueno, yo les voy a explicar la parte del oído. The ear is the organ responsible for hearing and balance. It is divided into three parts: the outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear. The outer ear collects sound waves and directs them into the ear canal. The middle ear contains the eardrum and three small bones called the malleus, incus, and stapes, which transmits sound vibration. The inner ear contains the cochlea, which converts via vibration into nerve impulses that are sent to the brain. The vestibule and semicircular canals help intense balance and hobby orientation. Sag to the ear, you can hear sounds and hear our vowels.
Okay, let's talk about the human eye. Explanation how the human mind. The eye is the organ of vision. Its function is to capture light from the environment and send it to the brain so one can see it better. Exactly like a camera. My first and their function. Cornea is the clear outer layer. It protects the eye and helps focus incoming light. Iris. It is the color found in its Amazon spent at crossing to control how much light enters. Pupil. The bright circle in the center. It has more light in bright light and younger. Lens. The internal lens is shown to focus on objects that are near or far. Retina. The screen where the bulb increases light and transforms into electrical signals. Optic nerve. The cable that connects the eye to the brain carries the electrical signals. In summary, how do we see? Light enters through the cornea, the lens focuses is the retina converts in other optic nerve into the brain. How does the eye works? 1. Light entry light passes through the cornea and the pupil. 2. Focusing the lens focuses the light onto the retina. Conversion. The retina converts light into neuron impulses.